Okay guys, quick little video on how to adjust the shift linkage on a Gen 1 Grand Cherokee with the 5.2. It might be the same for the 4-liter, but this is on a 5.2. This is your transmission shift linkage. This is where your transmission shifter is shifting from up above. This is normally sitting right inside here. We pulled it out so that we could figure out how this silly thing worked. This clip that you can see right here goes into the back of this and will be closed on yours. So you got to stick a screwdriver down inside here and pry this thing back up until it comes completely out of the back of this. Once this is out of here, then this just adjusts right here to make up your, I don't know if you guys can see that in the dark, but it just makes, there's slides along here and you got a spring right there, and that's where your adjustment is. Once you get it in the right spot, this clicks back in. So pull this out. You don't have to remove it from here like I did, but pull this out. Put your Jeep in low range, or sorry, not in low range, in the lowest gear on the shift lever. And then clip this on and then slide this into place. This will automatically adjust in here to get your transmission in the exact right spot. And then once this is clipped back in, it'll lock it into place. And then you can verify that the Jeep's in the right spot by shifting it into park and trying to start it. As long as it starts in park and neutral, you're good. If it doesn't, then the adjustment's not quite right. Pull this thing out, make your adjustment here. That's how you adjust the length of the cable again. And then you're good to go. All right, that's it. Hope that helped.